What if I told you that for under $300,000, you could own your own land, live in a gated 55 plus community, enjoy resort style amenities right here in the Coachella Valley? Today, I'm taking you inside one of Indio's best values. Thanks so much for joining me. Today, I'm gonna take you on a tour of this manufactured home inside the 55 plus community of Coronado Gardens in Indio. Now, this community is super popular because unlike most manufactured home communities, this one, you own the land. You heard me right, you own the land, which makes financing so much easier when buyers are out shopping. So this home is a 2-bed, 2-bath, 1,568 square foot home. The community has resort-like amenities with a pool, a spa, pickleball, clubhouse, and fitness center. I can't wait to show you. Thanks so much for joining me. My name's James with LPT. Let's take a look. So as we're looking at the front of the house, you've got two entrances. This is your main entrance here to the left, little covered porch patio area. And this is technically your front door. But if you lived here, you more than likely are going to park under the carport, which is to the right of the house. And there's another entry. So as we walk down the carport, you've got a little storage area there. And then your entry is here. And let's take a look at outside past the entryway. So you can fit at least 2 cars, 3 cars in this carport area. You've got plenty of storage, little workshop area. Same with over here. And then as you go around the outside, show you what the outside looks like. You've got a little green belt area with a nice tree. And there's all your neighbors. So as you enter here, you're entering into the laundry area. So you can see room for your washer and dryer there, storage above that. And although I have a light on, if I turn the light off, that is a solar tube right there to the right, allowing in all kinds of natural light. This is an awesome 55 plus community. And remember, you own the land. This is not just your home, but you also own the land here as well. And then look at this. You've got room for another refrigerator there if you wanted to. It's the perfect space for maybe a drink refrigerator. You've got storage space here, closet for linens. And then that door there leads to the restroom, one of the restrooms. I'll show you that in a minute, but you've got plenty of storage space. And then as you exit the laundry area, you're somewhat in the living area. Kitchen is to your left there. And to your right is your hallway where your bedrooms are. So why don't we start with the living area as we walk here. So you've got the laminate flooring to look like wood flooring. You've got vaulted ceilings. That is another solar tube right there, allowing in all kinds of natural light. You've got, that is your front door, where your guests will enter you will enter if you're not coming through the carport. And then you've got this beautiful stone fireplace, storage on both sides, window here and there. So 2 windows on that wall. The vaulted ceilings again makes it feel super spacious in here. And then you've got a closet right there. So there's back where we came in, the laundry room to the left there. And then this is all living space, beautiful windows, floor, to almost ceiling windows there. And this area faces east, so you will get the sunrise in this room, but beautiful windows allowing in all that natural light. And then there's your dining area, got a built-in hutch there for more storage space. And then look at the size of this living area. Plenty of room for your furniture, dining room table, couches, television, plenty of room for entertaining, plenty of room for living. You've got a connection there for a ceiling fan if you wanted to put a ceiling fan there. And then as you come around here, you'll enter your kitchen. So refrigerator is there. Dishwasher right across, right next to the sink. This window overlooks your carport area. You got your sink there, plenty of storage. You have a gas stove. Nice gas stove there. Plenty of storage below and above. You can see all the cabinets there. And then across as well. And then you got more counter space here. They've got the microwave on this counter, but there is a little cutout with power right above it. So if you had a microwave that would fit in there, which looks like that one would, and most would, you can put your microwave in there. And then you've got even more storage space there. Little seating area here, little low bar countertop there. And then let's go down. This is where we came in through the laundry room. So as we come down this hallway, this is that first restroom, full restroom, shower tub combo, toilet, sink, storage. And then this is that door. So it's almost like if you wanted to have some sort of private entrance there for your guests, they could have this restroom here. And then this is your first bedroom. Ceiling fan, again, vaulted ceilings. These rooms have new carpet. So you'll find carpet in the 2 bedrooms. Window there to your carport. Little walk-in closet here. And then right across from there is your primary bedroom. Carpeting as well. Different carpeting. You got a few windows in here. Your restroom is over there, but before we get to that, I'll show you the walk-in closet. Nice size walk-in closet here. And then your restroom. So again, you've got the laminate flooring. You've got a soaking tub there. Window, toilet, single sink, and then no tub in this restroom, but you have a stand-up shower there and more storage. Plenty of space. This is an amazing 55 plus community. And don't forget, you own the land here. Like, this is a manufactured home, but you own the land in this community. You don't have any space rent or anything like that. So let's take a look at the amenities that Coronado Gardens offers and tell me what you think. After talking to so many of the people that live here, I found that everyone has something here in common. Not only do they love the home, but they love the lifestyle. Whether they're relaxing by the pool, hanging out with neighbors at the clubhouse, or playing pickleball, there's always something to do. And the location? There's so many restaurants nearby. I found that everybody loves Sloan's, which is a breakfast place nearby. TKB, one of Yelp's top restaurants, has some of the best sandwiches in the entire Coachella Valley. There's shopping with grocery stores like Stater Brothers, Walmart, and Winco, and you're just a few minutes away from JFK Memorial Hospital. This location has everything: easy freeway access. You're right by the casinos, less than a 10-minute drive to some of the Coachella Valley's casinos. This community has so much to offer. If you're thinking about retiring in the Coachella Valley or simply looking for an affordable home where you own the land, I'd love to help. If you enjoyed this house tour, hit that like button, subscribe for more community and house tours throughout the Coachella Valley. And if you'd like to schedule a private showing on this one, my contact information is in the description below. I'd love to help you find the perfect home for you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.